Hi, I'd love to invite you to the event called The Unlimited Life on Saturday, January 14th. In this one-day workshop here in Vancouver, you will actually start to realize what is blocking you. There may be an area of your life, health, relationships, or money, that you feel like there's a glass ceiling. And this is the thing, that glass ceiling is actually created by us. It could be from your unconscious patterns, your subconscious patterns, or maybe even your conscious patterns, and you don't even know it. And every New Year's, you put out some resolutions, and for whatever reason, they just don't manifest. That's what I'm doing on January 14th to help. I'm Dr. Divi. I'm a family doctor who became an intuitive coach who uses intuition, energy, mind, vibration to actually help create our lives. This workshop is going to be very tailored to you. Because how I work, if you've never seen me teach or been attending my events live or online, is I actually teach with the people who are in the audience in mind. As an intuitive, what happens is the energies, the thoughts, the awareness of your issue comes to me prior to the session. I make notes about it, and with those notes, I am aware of what topics, processes, and techniques we're going to cover. And it's kind of crazy when you think about it, right? Because there'll be all sorts of different people there. But each of us from the universal law of oneness are carrying very similar strings. And those similar strings is what I will teach you how to heal. I 100% guarantee you that you will leave the workshop more aligned, more in tune, and more in charge of your life. And if you actually start practicing the tools and techniques I give you, you will start to create that unlimited life, health, relationships, money. The last thing I will say, again, if you've never been to my workshops, they're incredibly interactive. You can ask whatever question you want. I will not be offended. I'm here to help. I'm here to serve and help you to hopefully live a happier, healthier, more incredible life. I'll see you on Saturday. If you've got any questions, feel free to message me. But I'll see you on Saturday. Big love.